Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today my group will present about hard disk, HDD and SSD. For introduction, a hard disk drive, sometimes abbreviated as a hard drive, HD or HDD, is a non-volatile data storage device. It is usually installed internally in a computer, attached directly to the disk controller of the computer motherboard. The internal hard disk resides in a drive bay connected to the motherboard using an ATA, a CSI or SATA cable. They are powered by a connection to the computer PSU or power supply unit. Modern computers often use an SSD, solid state drive, as the primary storage device instead of an HDD. HDDs are slower than SSDs when reading and writing data, but offer greater storage capacity for the price. There are types of hard disks: SATA drive, SSD hard drive, and NVMe. SATA hard drive in the first picture, you can see the SSD hard drive in the second picture, and the NVMe. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Christoph Kodeli. So I'm going to present about the advantages of SSDs, that is solid state drive. For durability and reliability of SSD maintain low temperature since it does not have moving parts like HDD. Heat is a major cause of failure in hard drives, and enough heat is generated by the continual movement of an HDD's moving part to cause it to break down over time. And SSD also able to handle drops, shocks, and everyday wear and tear, making it less uh, to experience data loss. SSD are faster than hard drives. SSD are up to 100 times faster than HDDs. SSD offer shorter boot time for your computer, more immediate data transfer, and higher bandwidth. Faster speeds means SSD can handle data at the ultra-high speed necessary in today's business world, especially when running programs that access large amount of data such as an operating system. Also, SSDs are very stable, which ensure that stored data is secure. SSD are power and energy efficient. Since SSD has no moving parts, it needs less power to operate compared to HDD with a magnetic spinning disk. Energy efficiency is a big benefit in using an SSD when it comes to PC and mobile devices where battery longevity is a highly marketable and requested features. SSD has less weight and no noise. The smaller size allow SSDs to weigh less than larger HDDs with their magnetic heads and metallic disks. Their compact design makes SSDs perfect for laptops, tablets, and other small electronic devices. The absence of moving parts also makes SSDs infinitely quieter than HDDs, whose noise and vibration can be very distracting. SSDs are more practical in size. It is available in a variety of sizes, with the smallest being the size of a stick of gum and up to 2.5-inch form factor.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name Muhammad Zafadli Biazman. Entry number AI210064. Today I will talk about how does solid state drive or SSD works. SSD are called solid state because they have no moving parts. SSD use a grid of electrical cells to send and receive data quickly. Grids are separated into sections called pages, and pages are clumped together to form blocks. When you have a new SSD, it loaded entirely with blocks full of blank pages. When you write new data to the SSD, it can immediately write to those blank pages with fast speed. However, as more and more data gets written, Those blank pages run out, and you left with random unused pages scattered through the block. This is how SSD works. The SSD needs to firstly find a block with enough pages marked unused. Second, record which pages in that block are still necessary. Third, reset every page in that block to blank. Fourth, rewrite the necessary page into the freshly reset block. And lastly, fill the remaining page with the new data.
Hello, my name is Afika. Today I'm going to talk about advantage of hard drive. Hard drive were first introduced by IBM in 1956. Here is 5 advantage of HDD. First, reliability of HDD. Second, capacity of HDD. Third, appearance of HDD. Fourth, physical size of HDD. And lastly, magnetism of HDD. First advantage of hard drive is reliability. HDD use magnetism to store data on a rotating platters. A read-write head floats above the spinning platters, reading and writing data. Kind of like a record needles is to a record faster. The faster platter spin, then the faster hard drive can perform. The second advantage of HDD is capacity. Typically, laptop drive today spin out of either 54,000 RPM revolutions per minute or 72,000 RPM. Through some server-based platters have been known to spin at 15,000 RPM. The major of hard drive is that it is capable of storing lots of data capacity. This day, 1 terabyte of storage is not unusual for a laptop. Next advantage is about appearance. If you want a cheap storage and lots of it using standard hard drive, it's definitely more appealing way to go. When it comes to appearance, hard drive essentially look the same from the outside as a solid state drive. Third advantage of HDD is about their size. HDD predominantly use SATA interface, the most common size for a laptop. Hard drive is the 2.5 inch form factor, while the larger 3.5 inch form factors is used in desktop computer. The larger size allows for more platters inside and thus more storage capacity. For the last advantage of HDD is about magnetism. HDD is affected by magnetism because a hard drive relies on magnetism to write information to the platter. Information could be erased from an HDD using strong magnets. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good evening, Doctor. So now I would like to present my part of the presentation, which is to identify components of HDD and explaining how HDD works. So HDD, which is known as hard disk drive, consists of components like spindle, disk platter, actuator arm, and read or write head. So disk platter is a circular disc made of either aluminium, glass or ceramic. Okay, so how HDD works is that first, most hard disk drives consist of several disk platters positioned around a spindle inside a sealed chamber. Okay, the platter spins with a motor that is connected to the spindle. Okay, the chamber also includes read or write heads, which magnetically document informations to or from tracks on the platter using a magnetic head. These also have a thin magnetic coating on them. So, and then last but not least, the motor spins the platter up to 15,000 rotations per minute. As the platter spins, a second motor controls the position of read and write heads. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Jajmal bin Ismail. matrix number CD180164. I will be presenting my part on conclusion. So conclusion on SSD and HDD is that SSD are definitely the king of performance with faster boosting, faster data read and transfer, and faster loading files. It also uses less power and does not make a noise. However, if anyone looking for a cheaper alternative, HDD are still better and offers a bigger storage. It's great for gamers to store big game files and people working in multimedia industry to store videos and photos. Both have their pros and cons, but you can never go wrong with SSD to use for your operating system. Thank you, that's all for me.